Yo, what is good, YouTube? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Bryan. I'm a 17-year-old entrepreneur here in New York City, and on this channel I document my life and me becoming a car enthusiast or joining the car community. I change it every single video. I don't know which one to keep anymore. So today we're going to get into a bunch of different things, hopefully. Right now we're going to head on over to our usual spot, Orchard Beach, and I got a new piece of camera equipment. What you're about to see right now is actually my adventure into the city to fix my phone, which they actually lost my phone. Apple lost my phone and replaced it. Gave me a bunch of stuff for free. It was an awesome day. And that same day, we actually went to pick up some new camera gear. So when we get over there, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the gear, and we're going to do some first-hand tests and kind of like practice because we have a really big shoot tomorrow. And on top of practicing and everything, we're going to go ahead and maybe go to a car meet tonight in Queens, which is actually the next borough over. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Yo, what is good, guys? We made it to Orchard Beach. Excuse the wind, I'm trying to block it. We met up with Ryan. You guys know Ryan right there, and Devin. I knew your name was Devin. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the new camera gear I got. Then we're gonna go ahead, throw a different lens on this, or actually, yeah, we're gonna throw a different lens on this, and
we say bye-bye.
is good. So I'm trying to hunker down over here to block the wind. What's up, guys? So it's a new day. We're actually in Mexico, and that E92 came out. Got some footage of him, got his Instagram. Hopefully gonna shoot something in the near future. Back to your regularly scheduled program. Yo, what is good, guys? Excuse the wind once again. I know it's super windy out here. So I finished messing around with the gimbal. It is extremely cold over here, so we're gonna go ahead, get out of here. So there's either two things that are gonna happen today. We're either gonna go spot searching, looking for some spots that we're gonna film tomorrow. We're shooting just an insane car tomorrow. That might be the next video, so I'm not gonna reveal it just yet. But just know it's like, it's insane. Or we're gonna go to a car meet later today in Queens. So either one of those two are gonna happen, so stick around. I hope you guys like the footage with the gimbal. It's definitely tricky to use. It's not as easy as everybody makes it seem. Definitely gotta practice, you know, like your movements and all that stuff. So I will see you guys in a few. Yo, what's good, guys? So we are in Ryan's car. As of right now, it still looks like the car meet later today in Queens is gonna go on. I'm not sure how much light there's gonna be because it's gonna be at like 7:30, so it's gonna be fairly dark. So I'm not sure how much of that I'm gonna be able to capture. But nonetheless, we're with Ryan. Gonna go ahead and look at some spots, scout out some spots for tomorrow's shoot. Yeah, I will see you guys when we find a spot. Yo, what is good, guys? So we've been driving around all around New Rochelle, which is kind of like, Ryan, what would you consider New Rochelle? The next town over? County. Okay, so the next count. New Rochelle is actually the next county over from the Bronx, and we're at a pretty dope spot right now. Got a bunch of water, doing a bunch of construction over there, a bunch of boats and stuff. Ryan going into the water. Bro, do not get stuck down there because I cannot bring you back up. Anyways, so we're gonna continue looking around for spots. I will see you guys when we find another spot. Yo, what is good, guys? I know you guys can't really see me. We are on our way to meet Sherwin, owner of a beautiful Evo 10. Hopefully we're gonna do something soon in the near future in the daylight because it is super dark outside and I'm not sure how well my camera's gonna perform to the meet, right along with him to the meet in Queens. So I will see you guys when we link up with Sherwin. Yo, what is good, guys? I know you guys probably can't see me. But we actually made it. We're here with Sherwin and a good friend of his, Wes. Hope I said that right, Wes. And shout out to Ryan for hooking me up with light because it's pitch black out here. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be able to film because it is really, really dark out here. But gonna try my hardest, and I guess I'll see you guys when we get to the meet. We're actually waiting for a few more cars now, and yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get to the meet. Yo, what's good, guys? Just got to the meet. Everything's looking a little crazy right now. A lot of people, a lot of cars, very tight space. So I'm gonna see if I can shoot whatever I can. If I shoot, I shoot. If I don't, I don't. Yeah. See the burn marks? That's tight.
Yo, are they dipping to the backup spot? Because the ops, the boys pulled off.
I have no idea, man. We just got here.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, YouTube. Today we're going to show you.
Whoa, off-roading Jeep. Oh! Hey, there we go.
Oh, shit.
He's not lying. Cool. Oh, then he's gonna pull him over. Damn. That's why you don't want to be the last one. Yo, what is good, guys? I apologize for the wind if there's a lot of wind. So we made it to the second spot. First spot got closed down. Second spot looks like it's gonna get closed down. I'm gonna go ahead if I could shoot whatever I could shoot. I'm gonna try. Once again, if not, I'm sorry. I don't have much control over the cops shutting stuff down. So I am gonna show you who we're rolling with though today.
Really running with it.
Like, you want to be in a crowd when you have a crowd approach you like that? Like, look.